Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make chili chicken and it will be very tasty. If you watching for the first time my video, please subscribe and like. So I will show you the ingredients what I am going to use now, and I hope you all will like it very much. And my way is very different of making the chili chicken. So let's start with the recipe. The ingredients which I am going to put in the chili chicken, that is 750 grams chicken, onion sliced about 8 to 10, green chilies chopped up very fine, garlic chopped up fine, and ginger chopped up fine, chili sauce and tomato sauce, and salt to taste, that I will use when I am making the chili chicken. I use mustard oil for chili chicken. So I am putting the oil now. Let the oil turn hot. The oil is turned hot. I'll put in the chicken now. I will cover the chicken. Let the chicken turn brown. Then I will do the next step. You can see the chicken is turning brown. Now I will add the chopped onions, sliced onions. Then I will put in the garlic. Ginger, chilies, I will let the onions also turn brown along with the chicken. I will add the salt. Add the tomato sauce. Add the chili sauce. And mix it well. Chili chicken is ready to be eaten with chapatis, parathas,